Hey guys, so this is CRATES Gaming Studios. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Unity Prototype 5 and so I've just finished this and I'm just going to show you what I've done so far. So I called it pop crates. So you just pop a crate. And if you miss one, it's game over, and you just press restart and you can choose whatever skill level you're at, and if you miss one, you just restart again. So let's go to canvas. So this is my settings up for this. Bold, font style bold, underlined. Well, you can just see it here. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So yeah, that's what this looks like. And this course is more for the user interface. So if you want to learn more about the user interface and how to use it, this would be the best. Prototype 5 will show you everything on how to do the user interface. And here's my code. Let's just wait for this to put up. Okay, so this is the difficulty buttons, and this is what the code looks like. Then we have game manager. You need to add these in to be able to use the user interface, text mesh pro, and the scene management. And this is my declarations. Enumerator, update score, game over, restart game. You can just pause if you want to read these. Start game, on the Unity side, so everything is on there. But if you run into any issues, you can just take a look at these. So I'm not really gonna talk much about these. And then I've got the target. There's my declarations there. Yeah, but if you're having any issues, you can always contact me, and then I can try to help you guys out if you run into issues with this, but you shouldn't. This is very straightforward stuff. And that's for the prototype 5. I'll have the links to the other prototypes, the challenges and the bonus features on this video. Just look for the links in the description below. And have a nice day, guys.